Is PMP better than MBA? The popularity of jobs in
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Project management is on the rise. People are looking for stable and reliable jobs that will help them sail through the volatile times. Competition for jobs is endless. There are thousands of applications for a single job position. Both PMP and MBA are sought after to enhance one's chance of getting recruited. The questions always end up being PMP or MBA. When choosing PMP or MBA, the underlying concept is to become adept at being a leader who can manage projects for the company. Although one can indeed become quite a capable leader without necessarily getting a PMP or MBA, getting one helps set you apart in the eyes of the recruiter. This is so because it would be impossible for recruiters to find for themselves the management skills present in every candidate, and therefore, they look for PMP or MBA certifications in the CV of the applicant. This is because PMP or MBA certifies that the holder has received professional education and training on how to manage. This just brings us back to the question of which to choose, PMP or MBA. This article will help differentiate between the two and aid you in the process of getting certification in PMP or MBA. As many people are losing their jobs to AI, job security has become an important concept. Stability and security are the primary reasons for the popularity of project management jobs. If you learn project management, you will be able to apply for a job in any industry. Therefore, it is vital to gain knowledge of project management, be it through PMP or MBA. Benefits of project management jobs. There are no limitations in a project management job. You can apply for a job in many industries. From food to pharmaceuticals, every company needs a project manager. Therefore, a project management course will give you flexibility. Along with all those advantages, you will also get a good salary. There are a lot of project managers who earn a significant amount. The high salary is one of the reasons why individuals prefer a project management job. Most of the top positions in a company are managerial posts. For many people, MBA programs are the only option for learning project management. However, there are plenty of other options for management jobs. The Project Management Professional or PMP certification is a reliable and valuable certification for project management. Why are people not interested in an MBA? The current business scenario is fast changing. Market conditions are volatile and job security is hard to get. In such a condition, it is advisable to get into project management. Project management will help you get a high-paying job in any company you want. It is very hard to find and get into top MBA programs. Furthermore, getting it done from top business schools can prove to be quite expensive and would be a hard cost to bear for most of the populace. Although the traditional route to project management is an MBA, things are changing now. MBA is time-consuming and costly. You should consider a PMP course if you don't want to spend all your savings and apply for a study loan. PMP is faster, reliable, and cost-effective. The short duration of PMP certifications makes them the best option for project management. Further, many companies prefer PMP professionals over MBA graduates. Above all, you can save a lot of money and time by enrolling for a PMP certification. What is PMP? An overview. PMP certification is a globally accepted course for imparting quality training to individuals. It equips you with the basics of project management and prepares you for future jobs. In addition, a PMP certification is essential if you want to become a project manager. The Project Management Institute handles PMP certifications and ensures its functioning. So, if you want to enhance your career in project management, it will help you a lot. Further, several domains teach about business management. You will learn all of them and take an exam. If you pass it, you will become a PMP professional. The study course of PMP involves the Project Management Body of Knowledge or PMBOK. It is a study guide for the PMP exam. Anyone wishing to appear for the exam must thoroughly read the book. So, you can treat the PMBOK as the official study guide for the PMP exam. PMP certification. The PMP certification will test your skills in various aspects of project management. In essence, you need to learn thoroughly about project management principles. Starting from project initiation to project execution, PMP certification will cover everything. Project monitoring and project control form an important part of the PMP certification test. You will learn the basics as well as the important concepts of project management. PMP is the basic examination for anyone wishing to get a project manager certification.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.